In this video, I'll show you how to create Trust Wallet in PC. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. At first, you need to head over to your Chrome browser, right? I would click on this Chrome search box. That is, you type in Chrome Web Store. I have already searched this before in the past, so that is why it's coming out here as one of my most recent searches. So I would click on this Chrome Web Store, wait for it to load. So I would click on this Chrome Web Store. Once I've clicked on it, you'd come on here right here and type in Trust Wallet. So this is it, Trust Wallet. I'll click on it. I'll add it to my Chrome. Add extension, I'll click on it. So once I add it now, it will be displayed amongst this option right here, among my Chrome extensions, right? So I'll wait for it to load. So we are done. Yeah, adding to Chrome. Yeah, so this is it. I think, yeah, exactly. Yeah, so Trust Wallet has been added, right? So I would go back. I think I would go back here. Okay, I can still come on here. So Trust Wallet has been added. So what I need to do now, I'm going to open this right now. If I click on it, Trust Wallet, I wait for it to load. Okay, let's say if you have added up your Trust Wallet to your Chrome extension, it's like pretty easy for you. What you need to do, you need to click on this extension. You need to click on it and wait for it to open, wait for it to load. Yeah, so mine is loading automatically, so I would wait for a few seconds for it to come up. So I'm just done with writing down my Trust Wallet seed phrase. So I would love to come on here and show it, right? So if you followed my step-by-step tutorial, you'd understand how you can create or how you can adopt the Trust Wallet extension to your Chrome browser, right? So as you can get easy access to your Trust Wallet, to your Phantom Wallet, and to other wallets you have added up to your extension. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. I'll see you guys in the very next one.